Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Hindi ko alam kung kaninong bahay to. Hindi ko alam kung kaninong bahay to.
Init!
Picture.
Jacket. Hi guys! Hi vlog!
So, few reminders lang po paano po kayo makapaglipot. Pwede po kayo mag-picture, basta walang flash yung camera strip po. And then, magkuha ng videos, bawal din po dito sa loob for security reasons lang naman.
Hi guys! So, sa unang room po na napuntahan namin is puro Santo Niño po siya. Bawal po kasi mag-video sa loob, so picture po muna. Hi guys! So, yung vlog na po ito is sagisag po siya ng mga pangulo sa Pilipinas. Yes! So, ito naman po is yung pagkakasunod-sunod ng mga naging pangulo sa Pilipinas. Yes! Wala lang akong picture ni BBM. Nakalimutan ko siya picturean. Ito po yung reason kung bakit recommended po siya puntahan, lalo na po ng mga students. Tinanong po namin yan sa tour guide namin. Pinilit ko pa yan.
Need siyang recommended siya. Lalo na sa mga katulad yung estudyante, syempre, para may background tayo or may alam tayo about political tawag dito, na nangyayari dito sa Philippines, no? Especially, lalo ngayon, nag-election, so need natin malaman kung ano pa ba yung dapat natin malaman. Kung ano ba yung, lalo na sa mga katulad nyo na mga estudyante na hindi pa naman botante, pero mas maganda alam nyo kung ano yung dapat nyong gawin, no? Na kung ano ba yung kailangan ninyo. Okay, sa'yo muna guys.
So, for you to be familiar with the church naman, alam namin, mention nila rin naman sa post number 6 that during the time when we Filipinos are being under by the Spanish regime for almost 333 years, we are mandated to give 100 pieces of eggs. As egg is very important for the constructions of every edifice that you will find in different parts of the country. So, like what sa boss 6, yung puti ng itlog is being mixed with a volcanic top or yung dinulog na adobe, shells, and it will be mixed by lime or apple. Then after apple, mortar or extract from sugar cane. So we're gonna mix it together to create a very sticky substance that will serve as a cement. Yung po yung semento ng araw na ginagamit. So if a family failed to deliver the numbers of eggs, the eldest member of the family will be receiving a punishment. It's either 100 lashes mandatico or any severe punishment that the Spanish regime will give. So for not following the mandate, especially by the church during the construction. So in the country, guys, we have different kinds of architectural design na simbahan. So if you've been to Northern Luzon, yung mga simbahan po doon, they used to call it an earthquake baroque architectural design church. But most of the churches that you will find in the country are baroque architectural design. Yung nire-refer na yung earthquake baroque architectural design, it's because in Northern Luzon, napaka-prone nila sa earthquake. Then, yung foundation ng soil nila is not the same with the foundation of the soil that we have in Central and Southern Luzon. So, they need to separate the bell tower to the church itself. Kaya earthquake baroque. So, when an earthquake hit a particular area po, hindi madadami.
Bye guys!